Hello everyone. In today's video, I will show you how to get a web receipt on Cash App. To begin, open the Cash App on your device and make sure you're logged into your account. Once you're on the main screen, look toward the bottom of the app. You'll see a menu with several icons. Tap on the activity icon, which is represented by a clock symbol. This will take you to the activity page where all your recent transactions are displayed. On this page, you'll see a list of transactions. Find the transaction for which you want the web receipt. Tap on the transaction to open its details. Once the transaction details are displayed, look for the options available on this screen. Depending on your app version, you may either see a web receipt button directly at the bottom or need to tap on the three dots in the top right corner of the screen. If you see the three dots, tap on them and a menu will appear with several options. Among these, select the Web Receipt option. When you select this option, the Cash App will open a browser on your device. The web receipt for the chosen transaction will be displayed in your browser. From here, you have two options. You can either share the receipt link with someone by using your browser's sharing options or download the web receipt directly to your device. This is useful if you need to keep a digital copy or send it as proof of payment. That's it. That's how you can solve the problem of getting a web receipt on Cash App. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.